Hey guys, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2021 Ultra Limited. This one is in River Rock Gray Denim. This bike is immaculate and it only has 4 miles on it. Has the 114 cubic inch engine, rider and passenger floorboards, locking saddlebag and top case. Also has the luggage rack on the top case as well. Has a port on the side for the passenger, also has speakers on the passenger backrest. Tons of controls on both grips, a beautiful dash. It's got the maps and full infotainment center. This bike has it all. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.